How do you feel prior to your surgery, before your surgery?
By the time I got to surgery, I was just dragging. My pain was really bad every night. Tears in my eyes, had to take hot showers, had to take a pain pill, just exhausted, just not great.
And when was your surgery?
My surgery was 3 days ago.
3 days ago.
Yeah, on a Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah, I think today's Friday.
Exactly,
Yes.
today's Friday, so 3 days ago.
Yeah.
Now, after surgery, how is your pain?
My pain that I had before surgery is gone. I've had some minimal pain from surgery, but nothing that a Tylenol is not taking care of. But my pain is gone.
So what would you say your pain level is right now? Like
Oh.
from before to now,
Oh,
the difference?
none. I don't have any.
You don't have any?
No.
That's great to hear.
Yeah.
Would you recommend Dr. Prisavatic?
Of course I would. I've already done that.
Oh, thank you so
Sure.
much. Thank you. So we're
It
so
was
happy that you're
fast
doing
and-
great.
Fast and easy and smart and quick and done.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Thank you, Diane.
Thank you.